If you're lucky to get a question like this, now they say it's a hard question, but really we can break it down very easily, where they give you an inequality and they want you to match a table up to an inequality. Notice how it says y is greater than all of these things, and we know that only one of these answer choices is correct, which means that the answer choice will be the one with, in this case, the greatest y, or the least y if the sign was flipped. So where's y the greatest? Well, I see that it's greater in A than C, and then for x is 5, they differ, where D has the largest number. So that's probably going to be my best answer for that type of question. Here it's less than, so where is y the least? Okay, well, it looks like it's the least here at C, so on and so forth. Now, last type of inequality is where you have inequalities as word problems. So for these types of questions, we model it just like we would model linear equations. All right, now, this is the most common type. $2,200 to purchase candles. And honestly, $2,200, that's going to be my y. If it's a budget, it means that we want to spend less than or equal to that amount. Now, they must purchase a minimum of 200 candles to maintain the discounted pricing. So let's say we have small candles and we have large candles. So we'll do small candles in blue. We'll do large candles in purple. So it's $4.90 per small candle plus $11.60 per large candle. And I know that my small plus my large candle has to be greater than or equal to 200. Now that I have two equations, I can model this as a systems of equations. So let's go to Desmos and let's go ahead and log these. 2,200 is greater than or equal to 4.9x plus 11.6y. And then 200 is less than or equal to x plus y. And I get this number 17.9, 182. What's the maximum number of large candles? That's my y, that the owner can purchase to stay within budget and maintain discounted pricing. So I know it was going to be 182. So the maximum number is going to be 182. It can't be above that. So the maximum number of large candles equals 182. That's how we solve a linear inequality word problem.